Check out this Kia 2013 Optima SX. If you are looking for an automobile with great features, look no further. This vehicle comes with a reliable 4-cylinder engine, connected to a smooth shifting automatic transmission. Enjoy these notable features: SX Premium Touring Package, 6 speakers, AM/FM radio, Sirius XM, CD player, HD radio, Infinity Premium Sound System with 8 speakers, MP3 decoder, radio, AM/FM CD MP3 capacity with satellite audio and radio, AVO infotainment system with RR camera display. If you are looking for a solid pre-owned car, this might be the one. This vehicle shows low mileage and has a smooth ride. Let us put you in the driver's seat today. Call or click to contact our dealership.